5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This tropical update brought to you by Pine Belt Gutters. So let's see what's going on in the tropics. The peak of the season is generally around September 10th, so we're not there yet, but we should begin to see something in the next week or two in the tropics. Right now, this is the point of origin in August. Basically extends from the western and central Atlantic all the way into the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic off the eastern seaboard. And during September, pretty much all the way extends from the African coast into the Gulf and the eastern Atlantic. And then during the month of October, it switches back to just closer into home, which is very normal for this time of year. And then during September, it's practically nothing but the Gulf and extreme northern portions of the Gulf of Mexico. What do we have going on there right now? Well, the buoy temperatures are kind of hot in the 80s. That's quite sufficient for tropical activity. All right, moving on up to the Gulf. Nothing really happening here, and in the Caribbean, not much is going on at all. And in the Atlantic, not much is happening. You still see a lot of tropical waves coming out the African coast. So let's see what this looks like as far as our weather maps are concerned. This is Thursday today. Still a lot of dry air out here in the Atlantic. And on Friday, pretty much the same thing. If this little system could stay out of the dry air, it might do something, but we don't know about that yet. And so far, I don't see much in the way of development. This is by Monday. Into Tuesday, we could start seeing something develop maybe in this area. This right here, there it is right there. That's just off the coast of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. This is on Thursday of next week, so we'll see how that works out. Then it moves to the inland into Alabama by next Saturday. So we'll watch that system very carefully and see what happens with that. That's our current tropical update brought to you by Pine Belt Gutters.